In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to do a virtual zero V-carve using your Next Wave CNC. In last week's project video, I did these wine staves where I did some V-carving into them. Using the Virtual Zero software that Next Wave offers as a free upgrade to your 10-inch pendant on the HD Plus machines, you can go through and do 3D carvings or V-carves across a curved surface like a wine stave. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. The requirements for using the Virtual Zero software is the new 10.1-inch display from Next Wave, your Zero Z touch plate, and a curved piece of wood. First, you need to update your CNC, so make sure you've downloaded the Ready to Update software from Next Wave. Connect your computer to your CNC using the USB cable provided, and go ahead and download and install any firmware updates on the machine. Once you have your 10-inch pendant updated, you'll have the Virtual Z software installed on the machine. So all we have to do in V-carve is go ahead and to make the design that we want it to carve. We don't have to scan a 3D image or make sure we're doing the arc of this wine barrel stave just perfect or anything like that. It's just treat it as you would any piece of flat stock. Since you're using a curved piece of wood, you need to get a little creative on how you're going to hold it down on the CNC so it doesn't move around. In my case, I'm going to use some blocks to support the wood and then screw the workpiece into those blocks. With your workpiece ready, go ahead and enter the thumb drive with your G-code. Go ahead and then open up the file and open up your file that you want to run, loading it into the software. With your workpiece secured to the CNC, now it's time to set the X and Y axis 0, just like you would any project. Now select the Virtual Zero button. By default, the system will load 5 points to Virtual Zero across the workpiece. These points are marked with red X's on the preview window. You'll want to use more than just the 5 default points across the entire work surface area. I recommend doing points every 4 inches on both the right and the left side of the work area, allowing the machine to create a representation of your work area on both sides. When I was doing my testing, I first tried just doing the center and I was finding some inconsistent depth areas. Once I moved to points on each side of the project, it had no problem going across the entire curved work area. Using the move arrows, go ahead and move the CNC to the point where you want to set a Virtual Zero button. Then click the Add Virtual Zero point and click Yes. That will add a button, and then go ahead and move it to the next location, again clicking the Add button and then clicking Yes. Repeat across the entire work surface area. With all your points mapped, now you're ready to set your Virtual Zero. Make sure your touch plate is already connected to your tablet, and go ahead and select the Virtual Zero button. Then click Yes to go ahead and begin moving the machine to the 0-point capture points. When the machine is finished moving, it'll tell you to touch and hold the touch plate to the bottom of the bit. Your spindle will retract slightly when it recognizes the touch plate has been touched to the bit. It'll then slowly lower the bit and touch the touch plate, marking the 0 point. It'll then move to the next 0 point, and you'll go ahead and repeat this process for every Virtual Zero point across the workpiece. On the controller, you'll notice that the red X's are now green, marking that they're ready to go. You'll then click the back button and click Start, and you'll see Virtual Zero is enabled. Then click the Start button to run your file. The CNC will then move to your X and Y 0 point and then start carving your file. As somebody who does a lot of CNC work, it's really impressive to see the CNC carve across a curved surface without having to use a 3D model or some kind of 3D modeling software. Once the CNC is finished, go ahead and finish the project as you would any other. I'm continually impressed by the innovation that Next Wave offers with their CNCs. Carving on a curved surface is something I haven't seen any other CNC manufacturer do, and the fact that they released it as a free upgrade to your 10.1 tablet is very impressive. That said, thanks guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. It really helps my channel grow, and until I see you again, bye-bye!